Poem: The world will shine again. Airplanes were hovering in the sky. We were moving continent to continent just for a better future. We were functioning hard to make the world tremendous. The world was exceptional and trying. It was so striking and peaceful. Yet COVID-19 came with aggressiveness. This pandemic caused by coronavirus spreads quickly in the universe, spreads through direct contact, handshaking, and saliva droplets. COVID-19 frustrates our lives, as its symptoms are fever, cough, chills, sore throat, muscle pain, headache, and difficulty breathing. If you present those symptoms, please isolate yourself and call for emergency help. The world is dark, with full of stormy moments. It's lockdown and quarantine. Streets are empty. Financial crisis is upsetting our beloved world. Food scarcity, depression, bereavement, and death have landed in our regions. Surely, our hearts are broken. As we are busy in trashing COVID-19, let us work together in fighting against COVID-19. Let us be pathetic and help the poor families. Let us stay home, stay healthy, and stay with faith. Let us avoid unnecessary movements.
In our homes, let us interact and shape our families. Let us read books for sharpening our minds. Let us follow journalism for being updated. Let us do physical exercises for promoting our health. The life will be fine again. Whenever we step from our households, let us wear facial mask properly and wash hands frequently. Let us avoid crowded places and keep social distancing. For coughing and sneezing, let us do them in flexed aims. For sure, together we can win this pandemic. Avoiding unprescribed medication which can harm our lives. Respect taken measures to fight against COVID-19. Single person can affect million can affect billion. Please stay home and stay safe. The rain always stops and gives way to the sun. The brightest and warmest days are in the way. No matter how it is now, but sun will shine again. Our hearts are broken, but will be mended again. For sure, our dream will be rectified. To hold the brightness of our world forever, let us respect preventive measures of all diseases. Let us prioritize, harmonize, synergize, and saving. Yesterday was bitter. Today let us do better, so that our world will be the best again. By Eric Ndisiwe and Pascaline Uisaba. Thank you.